Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Raj. Today I'm going to show you how to properly set up the audio for Skype. Especially if you're a musician and looking to do an online music concert, you have to know this setup because for that you need to input more than one line, but in general Skype only accepts one line in, so only one microphone you can connect, and if you try to connect another mic or your karaoke track, it wouldn't work. So you have to know the system to do it. So I'm going to show you everything step by step, and after that you can play your karaoke track, you can sing along with it, or you can have a live band, or you play an instrument, you can do a lot of things, or you can input as many channels you want. Then you can do a professional standard music concert online. So without further ado, let me show you how to do that. To do that, you need an audio interface. If anybody doesn't know what is audio interface or you need more detail, click this I button. I have done a tutorial about it, or leave it in the comment and I will explain to you. Then you need a mixer and a microphone. Also, if you want to play a track, you want to have additional laptop or computer or phone to play it, because you can't use the same computer to play the track. So that's all you need, and now I'm going to show you how to set it up. I'm using M-Audio Fast Track Pro, but you can use any interface that you have. This interface has two lines in, but like I said before, Skype would only take one line, so we will be using the first line. Now I'm going to connect my speaker to the interface. So this model has TRS output and RCA output, but I'm going to be using TRS output because that's what I have right now. So you're gonna connect both speaker left and right, and the other end will go to your speakers. Now I'm going to connect my computer using this USB cable. This end goes into the interface and the other side will go into my computer. Then turn the power on. Now I'm going to connect the mixer using the first line. Like I said, the Skype will take only one line, so I'm using the first line, and set the level. I'm going to leave it in the middle. Now connect the other end to the mixer output. The next step, we're going to connect the microphone. You can choose any line that you want, but I'm going to use line 2. So I'm connecting one end to the line 2. Now my mic is set. Now I'm going to connect the headphone. So connect the headphone to your audio interface and set the level. If you need an additional headphone, you can plug in the other headphone to your mixer headphone. This is an option. If you want more than 2 headphones, you can buy a headphone amplifier and you can connect as many lines you want. Now I'm going to check my vocal line on my mixer, and you can see the green lights pops up when I talk. That shows that we are getting the signal and the mic is working fine. And make sure you hear it and also you see the green signal, and don't let it go to red, then it will be clipping. You don't want that, so keep it below yellow light. To connect the other computer or the phone, you have few options. You can connect into tape in, or you can use the phone jack, or you can use TRS line, which is the instrument cable. If you're using anything other than the tape in method, you will need an adapter to convert from mini to the big pin, or from big to mini pin. You will see here I'm trying all the options for you to see how it works. So if you have those adapters, then you don't need to worry. You can use any method that you want. Now let's check the second line to see if we are getting the signal. I can hear and I can also see the green light. Perfect. Now you are done with the mixer setup. If you need more lines, you keep doing the same and adjust each lines to your preference. Now let's open Skype and click on these three dots and go to setting, audio and video. Then go to microphone and change that to your audio interface. Mine is M audio, so I will select that. Also select the same for the speakers. Now click the test audio button, and if you hear a sound, that means everything is set up properly. Now let's check my vocal mic, and you can see the blue lights coming up, so that means the mic is working. You can manually set the level or click this button to automatically adjust the level. So I will simply leave it at automatic setting, it's better. And do the same thing for each line that you are connecting, and check individually to make sure you're getting a signal from each line. Okay guys, finally we are ready to rock. I'm just going to play a track and sing along to show you the final result. வந்த வானத்து மின் விளக்கே, ஆளியிலே கண்டெடுத்த அற்புத ஆணிமுத்தே, தொட்டில் மேலே முத்து மாலை வண்ணப்பூவா விளையாட, சின்ன தம்பி எசப்பாட, துளியிலே ஆட வந்த வானத்து மின் விளக்கே, ஆளியிலே கண்டெடுத்த அற்புத ஆணிமுத்தே. Okay guys, that's all. Enjoy. If you like my video, don't forget to click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.